How to change the username on Messenger. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can change your username on the Facebook Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Now to change your username, simply go ahead and open up the Messenger from your device, and from the home page go ahead and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and he'll get to see this is my user ID. So now to change this one, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right here, and from here just need to scroll down a little bit and he'll get to see the username. You just need to tap on this one and you just need to delete the current username and go ahead and type the username that you want to set. And once you have typed in your username, make sure it's available, and right after that go ahead and tap on save and your username will be changed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.